Zakia from California. I began learning Tai Chi so I could help my elderly parents do it at home. Little did I know that it would also help me with my focus and creative energy after every session. My mornings begin with half an hour of Tai Chi. The dance-like movements elevate my positivity, and I feel closer to nature. Lydia from Arizona. 7 years ago, I fell and broke my wrist and another bone in my hand. While the broken bones healed, I developed a complication that left me in constant pain with limited use of my hand and fingers. Physical therapy and high dosages of anti-inflammatory drugs did not bring relief. The next level of pain management would have been narcotic pain relief and nerve blocks injected into my neck. Instead, I chose a regimen of Tai Chi 6 days per week. Over 6 weeks, the pain and other symptoms reduced until gone, and I was finally able to use my hand, arm, and shoulder again. The medical professionals involved were shocked at this complete recovery. With gratitude for my Tai Chi teacher, I am now a Tai Chi practitioner for the rest of my life. Edouard from Belgium. At times I struggled with severe mental depression. Then in therapy I experienced the benefits of Tai Chi movements. On the internet I found Tai Chi and Qigong tutorials. Instead of 2 to 3 years of mental therapy, I only needed a 6-month ambulant therapy to recover. To reach my goals, I practiced 2 times for 45 minutes daily. I suggest Tai Chi and Qigong practice to create a solid basis for improving your body and soul. Love and gratitude for my teachers.